In this last step, we will export our layout. So let's begin by going to File, and we will export. And I'm going to export these to my sketchbook resources. You're going to be turning in a file, and then you should be printing the file and pasting this into your sketchbook with all of your other steps, drawings, notes, and research, anything to do with this exercise. All right, so I'm just going to place this inside the sketchbook. The first time, I'm going to use the PDF print format, and we're going to click Save. And fortunately for us, there's really nothing we have to mess with here. For what we're doing, high quality print, Acrobat 5 should be fine. If you run into an issue, if you're using some effect or drop shadow or gradation or something a bit more intricate, and this version is not providing the correct visual result, then you may want to go with a newer version, which likely has a bit more robust capabilities. But we should be fine with Acrobat 5, so all we need to do is export. And just to be on the safe side, we're exporting pages. We only have a single page at this one time. So let's export, and we should be done with exporting the PDF. Let's go back up to File, Export, and we're going to change the format to JPEG. And we'll go ahead and save to the exact same spot. We'll save all the pages. There's only the one page. Quality is medium. Okay, the resolution is 72. The color space RGB. All of these should be fine. Embed the color profile. I believe we're going to be okay. So let's click export. I just hope that when we do so, nothing shows up, like it doesn't show up. We're going to find out what happens here. Then my concern is if the document is larger because it tries to include the images that are bleeding off the edge, but we're going to find out. So let's open up our folder. Let's look in our, so here's our JPEG, so I'll just double click, and I'm going to open this up in preview, and I'll just zoom out a little bit, and it looks okay. Let's open up our PNG file. I'll have to make this smaller, zoom out, and we look okay. All right, so now you have two file formats, a PDF and a JPEG. You can submit either to your assignment, and then you will also be printing and placing one in your sketchbook.